Hello and welcome to a new episode of Immigration Snippets by stayincanada.com. Today I will show you step by step how to create the very basic step to apply for your applications to come to Canada DIY, do it yourself. The first step of making an application with RCIC is creating a cic account. So let's dive in. Let's go to cic.gc.ca. Just bear in mind that some websites and companies are kind of fraudulent and impersonate government websites. Then you choose your language. In my case, it'll be English. I'll scroll down to my application and then sign in or create an account. If you are inside Canada, you have two options. Either log in by cic or sign in with a partner. For the sake of this video, scroll down just through with cic. Now as long as you don't have a current account, you have to create one, go to the sign up, and you'll find terms and conditions. Really you don't have that many options. But to accept, then you will find a simple wizard to create a username. And that username must be at least being 8 characters. And these are all the things that it may include. Then it'll ask you about a password. Again, read carefully at the instructions in this area because it has specific characteristics. Then your security questions and it'll pop up with 4 security questions. Keep in mind that these security questions will be your backup to enter the GC account or the application if you forgot your username and password. So that's pretty important. And every time you will log in, the system will ask you one of these questions. Finally, write your email address. This is the email to be used to communicate with IRCC. And the next video will be how to create your visitor visa application. Again, keep in mind that some websites copy the governmental websites. But only the legit ones would have a domain that ends with .gc.ca. To know more, go to our website, www.stayincanada.com, to book your consultation and take it from there.